How to fix Instagram something went wrong problem on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, Instagram, and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been fixed or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, close this. Launch your settings. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of General. Head over to the option of iPhone Storage. Now over here, you're going to find different apps. Head towards the app Instagram. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Uploading app clears cache with the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After you reinstall the app, you can try to log in. Heading towards next solution, close this. Launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box, type in Instagram.com and then search for it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now you can click on Login or Sign Up, then provide your credentials, then log into your Instagram account in the web version. The last thing you can do is uninstall the app completely and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the app. Click on the option of Delete app. After you delete the app, launch your App Store, search for the app and install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Instagram something went wrong problem on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.